Hi guys, so I'm here to do a very quick demonstration on what it looks like when you use your hand to wash your face, or when you use our Mary Kay Skin Invigorating Sonic brush to wash your face. So I've got here with me my brush and I've got my TimeWise cleanser. So I'm first of all going to apply a bit of the TimeWise cleanser on this lemon, which is standing in for our face. And I applied a bit of foundation on the skin. So I'm going to wash this off now, just this portion, using my hand. And I'm going to use this brush to clean the other half. So, because on our face we've got pores, and some of the products we use clog our pores, hence why Mary Kay product is non-comedogenic. It doesn't clog your pores. So this is what it looks like when you use your hand to wash your face. Do you notice you still see some tiny bits in your pores? And that is how it looks when we use our hands to wash our face. So I'm going to use the cleanser again now and apply it on the other half and use my brush. So this is it now. So I'm going to use my brush now, and the brush has 3 different settings. I don't know if you can see. And I'm just using settings 1. I'm just going to wipe this all over. You can see the difference. Okay. I'm just going to stop for now. That's even less than 60 seconds. I'm going to rinse everything out. Can you see the difference? And this is me not even using up to 60 seconds. Can you see the difference of when this is when you use your hand to wash your face, and this is when you use the Skin Invigorating Sonic brush to wash your face. And this is what it looks like. You can easily clean this. You can detach this and just wash it off. Well, I just thought I'd show you a very quick demonstration on the difference when you use the sonic brush and when you use your hand to wash your face. So if you want to know more, if you want to purchase the product, you could visit www.marykay.co.uk. It has 3 speed settings, and you don't have to pull any battery. The battery is for life. And this LED indicator tells you when the battery is low, and you just plug it and charge it up. It's very easy, very, very easy. Anyway, thank you for watching. Feel free to share. Thank you very much. Bye bye.